Everyone, this is Meenal Vijay Painse, and let's see what the third week of November 2020, that is the 15th to the 21st of November 2020, has in store for the sun sign Aquarius. For Aquarians, this week, entire week is going to be a week which is going to keep you very, very busy on your toes. There is going to be a lot of activities that you will have to pay attention to all at the same time, each demanding equal attention from you, which is going to make you feel a little bit stretched for time, asking for more time. So yes, it's going to, in general, the week is going to be very, very busy. Moving on to the space of work. You might feel that you're not heard in your place of work, that probably you're being kind of bullied or sidelined or then literally ignored by your seniors or let's say your boss. If in case you really feel that, it's high time that you politely and firmly see to it that your voice, your opinion is absolutely being made heard to the seniors and by the seniors. It's not a time to keep quiet and let things pass by. So it's the time to basically stand up for yourself and see to it that your seniors understand your point of view as well. Otherwise, you might feel very low when it comes to your self esteem at your place of work. There's no point working in a workspace where you constantly feel you're not respected, where your sense of self esteem is, going down or dipping down. It's a very uncomfortable space to work in, and the cards ask you to stand up for yourself and create your space at your workplace. Moving on to the area of finances, this week somehow you would actually be tempted to spend finances in ways as if there's no tomorrow. So yes, there are chances you might be a little bit spending your finances over the top, being a little bit careless and sometimes reckless while spending. So the cards ask you to maintain balance in your financial spendings for the third week of November. Moving on to the area of relationships. It could be a particularly very bad week for couples who've just broken up. You might be experiencing a lot of heartburn, heartbreak, and loneliness. Even for people who are married, see to it that if in case you sense that there is some kind of a situation or event which is causing a lot of arguments and that the temperature, the anger temperature within the relationship is flaring up, see to it that you learn to let go. This particular week, if you do not pay attention and let the anger and the arguments flare up, it will unnecessarily lead to complications within the relationship. It will lead to unnecessary angry outbursts in the relationship, and a lot will be said and done which will be later very greatly regretted either by you or your partner or then both. So a very beautiful advice given by the cards to married couples especially is to maintain the peace within the relationship. As for couples, if in case you are separated or you've taken the decision of letting a person go out of your life because the relationship will not be good on a long term basis, stick to your decision. Don't get into the trap of calling back the person into your life and getting into the wrong relationship once again. Maintain your distance. Time heals everything and your heart will heal as well. Moving on to the area of health. Obviously, all these happenings of the week will have an effect on your health. You might absolutely feel very snappy. You might not feel in the mood to go out and even go out for a normal walk. But this week, pay specific attention to your left leg. Your left leg might be injured or it might feel a little bit more painful in the left leg. The blood circulation will be affected in the left leg. So see to it that you just go out for a massage, a nice relaxing massage. which really relaxes you down and makes you feel a little bit less stress. Nothing serious about it, it's just that the happenings of the week are such that you might feel very tired and drained and want to just sleep it out. And yes, there could be issues with the left leg, so in general, for a safer side, just go and treat yourself to a very nice massage. It might actually cool you down. Here's wishing you a very, very beautiful and a happy and a blessed week ahead.